Hey, to install games on your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, first of all you will have to move into your Samsung Galaxy wearable application and you have to open it. Next, you will have to go into the apps screen, then scroll all the way down, select apps, and right now scroll all the way down and move into the featured apps. Then you will have to start scrolling until you find games. So they will be visible right here, games on the go. Click on this arrow to open all available games. And if I want to actually get some free games, for example this maybe Galaxy Logic, I have to just open it once and then click install. Now as you can see, I've got information that this app will be installed on the watch soon, and when I go into the main watch page, I can find here the downloading process, and when I tap on it once, I can actually find this downloading process. So it's already on my phone, but right now it is actually transferring into the watch. And if you actually finish downloading, you will be able to find your games right here. So for example, I just download this 2048 game and it's visible, and that's all. Right now, please subscribe.